all this frustration? Get it out!
Do not full run! It's our run!
Is your mother with that mouth? I got a badge for you, Mr. Chicken! How about go home and lay an egg badge?
You crazy? I was born to be...
Well, I stay here and touching that. Get it out! Make me some cash! Who's the big shot now, huh? How's a guy supposed to make a living?
All that hard work.
It's not your fault that you are so useless.